How to check app time uses on Samsung. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you check app time uses on Samsung. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, you want to open your settings application, and after which you want to scroll down and go to digital well-being and parental control. When you go to this section, you could find the hours, right? So what you want to do is scroll down, and then you want to go ahead and look for review apps activity details. Then you have the screen time right over here. You could scroll down and look for all of these applications accordingly, and this is how you'll be able to check the app time uses on Samsung. And you could also see the option as set times for your app. You could do this by tapping on it, and likewise this is how you'll be able to view or set the time as well. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. See you in the next video.